In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add a new account within Xero, helping you maintain accurate financial records and streamline your accounting process. To start, let's head over to your Xero dashboard, the central hub for your financial operations. The dashboard is where you can see an overview of your financial status, access various accounting tools, and manage your business finances effectively. Once you're there, your next move is to navigate to the accounting section. You'll want to look specifically for the Chart of Accounts, which is essentially the backbone of your accounting system within Xero. It's like the directory of all the accounts you use to track your financial transactions, and it's absolutely essential for organizing your financial data and ensuring that everything is logged correctly. Within the Chart of Accounts, keep an eye out for a button or an option to add a new account. This might be labeled as Add Account, Insert Field, or simply Add. This step is crucial as it marks the beginning of creating a new line item that you'll use to categorize your financial activities. Once you locate this option, click on it to begin setting up your new account. Now that you're in the account creation mode, it's time to fill in the required details for your new account. Begin with the code. This part might seem a bit technical, but it's vital to assign a unique code to each account. Typically, you'll want to follow a specific format or numbering system that aligns with your existing chart of accounts for consistency and ease of identification later. Next, you'll move on to the name field. This is where you clearly label the new account with a descriptive name. Choose something that instantly tells you what the account is for. For instance, if you're creating an account for office supplies expenses, simply naming it Office Supplies would suffice. This clarity will be invaluable when reviewing your financial reports. Afterward, it's time to select the correct account type. Here, you have options like expense, revenue, asset, or liability. Choosing the correct type is crucial for accurate financial reporting and analysis. Depending on the purpose of this new account, select the most appropriate category. Finally, you might have additional fields to complete, such as a description, VAT rate, or reporting classification. These fields help to further define and categorize the account, ensuring comprehensive detail and minimizing any confusion down the line. Even if these fields are optional, adding extra information can be incredibly useful for future reference and audits. By following these steps, you'll have successfully added a new account in Xero, enhancing your bookkeeping and financial management processes. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful, and you're now better equipped to manage your accounting tasks with Xero. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insights and guides on financial management using digital tools.